Hi everyone, it's me. Yes, you can probably tell by the way I look, and yes, it's exactly how I feel. And the way I feel is a depression coming on, which I'll have to talk about that more. But I'm hopping on here mainly to say I'm walking and doing this. But I'm hopping on to mainly say that I'm taking an extended leave from YouTube just until I get over this little spell. So I wanted to hop on and let y'all know that. Anyway, yeah, I'm down and out right now, and I'm not going to get into it because it's something between me and somebody. But anyway, yeah. So I'm letting y'all know, so y'all may not. I'll be coming back, but I just don't know when. At this point, you will know because you'll get an upload. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe and all that, and I'll be back with more soon. Bye for now. Hoping your tomorrow's just as nice as you want it to be.